Hello guys, and let me show you how to make your always on display on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus always on, not just for 10 seconds. So let's get started. Firstly, let's open settings and scroll till we see wallpaper and personalization. And here choose always on display. Enable it by clicking on this switcher, and you can also choose a theme for your always on display. But if we look right here in the display items, we will see that this mode is available only for 10 seconds. So let me show you how to solve it. For this, we're gonna need another app which we can install from Play Store, and it's called Always On Display. Let's just open it. Tap Let's Go, and here we need to allow to draw over other apps. So click this Allow Now button and go in Always On Display and enable it. Great, and now let's go back and enable notification access, or you can do it later, so let's skip this step. And right here you would see many options, so you can add stickers, background, font style, change data style and watch face. And let's change the background, for example. So we can choose between these three options because other ones are only just for premium. You can see this crown right here, which stands for the premium. So if we would click on save, you will see that we can add this always on display only if we get a premium. So let's choose this option, for example. And now let's change the watch face. I'm gonna choose this one and click save button to save the changes. Now it is premium, so let's switch to this one. Great. And now you can see your always on display right here on the screen. And to exit this mode, just simply tap the screen twice. Great. And you can also set your own photo by going in the background tab and choosing custom. And here you would be able to choose any photo from your gallery. Let me choose this one, for example. And let's check how it will look. Great! And now you know how to set your always on display not only for 10 seconds. And that was all for now. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.